Gentlemen, it's not the perfect time. Mm-mm. The chances of you actually sliding into my DM and we vibe are there, but what else? What else? I just don't get it. Because I've been seeing the memes and you people, they are like, hey, they are all home, they are in quarantine, they are bored, shoot your shot. Shoot your shot to what? To what? What are you shooting? I'm not even a shot. You're not even shooting. Like, banaye tweddeko banaye tusooke tulabe bino nga ebigenda okuggwa, and then your horn can take precedent here. But you're DMing a chick you're not going to see in the next 21 freaking days, and the chances of you seeing her, they're not that nice. So calm down, you know. Let us first get through this, and then you can shoot your shots. You'll be like, oh my goodness, the world almost ended, and I thought I would never get my chance to shoot my shot, but now here I am. We're okay. What it do, sis?